Yes. So answer will be petiole. The stalk that attaches the leaf blade to the stem is called petiole.
Petiole.
So the answer will be petiole.
Petiole.
Okay. So now the second one. Pine, deodar and fir are dash trees. Yellow, green or non-green? Evergreen. So the answer for the second question will be evergreen. B, evergreen. Okay. Now the third one. Lotus and water lily are dash plants.
Fixed plants.
So the answer will be fixed plants. Everyone write the answer for question number 3. Lotus and water lily are dash plants. The answer will be B, fixed plants. Okay, I'm giving a right so that it will be easier for you to understand. So 1 will be B, 2 will be B, and 3 also B, right? Now number 4.
Yes,
Seals, turtles, and whales have dash to swim in water. Fins, lungs, or spiracles?
Spiracles. Spiracles. It will be sleeper, but it is not in the option.
See, the answer is not given in the option. What is spiracle? Spiracle is, yes, through spiracle, the insects breathe through spiracles. Okay. So what will be the answer? The answer will be flippers, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the closest answer is fins.
Fins, not fins actually. You see this chapter? Let's see. Yes, the option is not given here. Fins, the fishes have fins. So you see this part. I'm showing you. Just a second.
Ma'am, that answer is flipper.
The correct answer is not given here. Yes, the correct answer will be flipper. You see here? This one. I wanted to show you this page. Seals, turtles, and whales have flippers. Flippers to swim in water. So the correct answer is not given there. So you write the answer as flippers. None of, if the option none of these was given there, then the answer would be none of these. But the correct answer is flippers. Okay, so we will write the correct answer only.
Blank, in blank, I can write the flippers.
No, you just cut any one option, cut spiracle, and write flipper there.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Cut spiracle and write flipper and tick to the flipper. Okay. So the correct option will be flipper. Now the next one. Okay, let's see what is the next question. Dash has sharp spine on its body to protect from enemies.
Spiny anteater.
So the answer will be spiny anteater. Yes.
There is no space to write spiny anteater.
So are you doing? Are you just marking in the book?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So just don't write it. Just make a tick mark to option B. Okay, you can do this also.
Ma'am, I have given an arrow and I have written spiny anteater.
Okay, that is also okay. Now question number 6. Okay, green leafy vegetations are a good source of calcium, iron, or vitamin D.
Minerals. Minerals.
Minerals, but see, mineral, that option is not given here. In that case, what we can write?
Vitamin D.
No, not vitamin D. We can write iron. Yes, we can write iron. So they are also a good source of iron. Green leafy vegetables. Actually, the answer should be minerals. It should be given here minerals, but iron is also a kind of mineral.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Calcium, iron, they are minerals. And green leafy vegetables are good source of iron. Okay, can you tell me, can any of you tell me the name of any food that contains calcium? If we eat that food, we will get milk. Yes, so from milk and milk products or dairy products, we will get the calcium. The dash is the part of tooth that we can see. Enamel, crown or neck? Crown. Because it is written dash is the part of a tooth. If it was written dash is the layer of a tooth, then what would be the answer? Yes, so enamel is the layer and crown is the part. There is the difference. Now number 8. Dash are used for biting and cutting foods. Incisors, canines or molars? Incisors. The answer will be incisors. Incisors are used for biting and cutting the food. Canines are used for tearing the flesh, right? And molars are used for grinding the food, right? Chewing and grinding, yes. Now number 9. What type of clothes we should not wear while working in the kitchen? Cotton, synthetic clothes. So the answer is synthetic clothes. Everyone write the answer. Now number 10. Always fasten your dash while traveling in a car.
Seatbelt.
Always fasten your seat. And this question I gave you in class test. And most of you have written the correct answer. Always fasten your seat belt while traveling in a car. Sorry. So now I'm again telling you all the answers. Those who are writing, just match the answers. Number 1, the answer will be petiole. Number 2, the answer will be petiole. Number 2, the answer will be evergreen. B, evergreen. Number 3, the answer will be B, fixed. Number 4, the answer will be, I told you to cut the spiracles and write flippers here. And the answer will be flippers. Flippers. And the answer will be flippers. Okay. And number 5, dash has sharp spine, spiny anteater. This one will also be B, spiny anteater. Number 6, green leafy vegetables are good source of B, iron. Number 7, dash is the part of a tooth that we can see. That will be crown. All the answers are option B, right? Most of the answers.
Yes,
Number 8, dash are used for biting and cutting the foods, incisors. Number 9, what type of clothes we should not wear while working in the kitchen? Synthetic clothes. This one is also B. And number 10, always fasten your seat belt. This is also B. Most of the answers are option.
Only 2,
Yes,
A and C.
Yes. So have you all written the answers of part A?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we will do part B.
Ma'am, the flippers is A or F? Part B.
See here, I have told you to cut C and write flippers here. So answer will be C. Now any of these answers you can write in your exam. One option will definitely be the flippers. Okay. And another thing also can come like fins, lungs, spiracles, option D, none of these. Then what will be the answer?
None of these.
Yes, so this is how also the question can come. But if the correct answer is there, then definitely flipper will be given. That option for flipper will be given. Now fill in the blanks. Okay. The process of making food by green plants is called?
Photosynthesis.
Okay, let me do one thing. I'm sharing the screen. I'm sharing the whiteboard actually. You tell me if you can see it. Okay. Just a second. Can you all see the whiteboard?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I have already cleared it. Okay, just wait a second.
Ma'am, it's just showing standard for A and started screen sharing.
Yes, I have already opened the whiteboard. Maybe due to network problem. Just wait one more minute. It will come. Okay. Okay, let's discuss it first. I hope.
Yes, ma'am. Now is.
Just start writing. First of all, you should write today's date. What is the date today? Tell me.
3rd August.
Yes.
3rd August.
So then we will write model test paper 1. Everyone should write like this. Always give the name.
Ma'am, I am writing in book. Coffee.
Okay, you can write in book. You can write in book also. Okay. So now we are going to do part B. B1. The answer will be the process of making food by green plants is called.
Photosynthesis.
Yes. So the answer will be photosynthesis. Now number 2. Different plants need different dash conditions.
Weather. Conditions. Climate conditions.
Different. You can write climate. So in your book, it is written climate, right? You can write climate or you can write weather. Both will be correct. Okay? Climate or weather. Both will be correct.
Ma'am, when we cannot see the whiteboard, there is a pen option. We can write.
Yes. Now, number 3, dash protects the embryo and provides it with water. Dash protects the embryo.
Ma'am,
Answer will be albumin.
albumin.
Number 4, animals that live on trees are called dash animals. Arboreal animals.
Ma'am, the A is small letter.
Yes, actually albumin A will also be small letter. See, because we will write these words within these sentences, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will have to write it in small letter. All of them will be of small. The P of photosynthesis will also be of small letter. Now number 5. Deer have dash to protect them from enemies.
Horns.
Horns.
Why?
Okay, now see, only albumin will be of capital letter. Tell me why?
Because albumin is first of the sentence.
Yes, this is the first word of the sentence. This is why we should write it in capital letter. Now number 6. The first set of teeth is called dash teeth.
Milk teeth. Or
Milk
temporary
teeth
teeth.
or temporary teeth. Any one of that you can write. So temporary teeth or milk teeth. Both will be correct.
Hello, ma'am. I write temporary teeth.
Okay, both are correct. Any one of that you can write. Now
Yeah,
number
written
7. Number 7. Dash are used to grip and tear the food. For tearing the food? Canines. Very good.
Ma'am, canine.
So canines are used to grip and tear the food. Now next, number 8. The food from the food pipe comes to the dash. From the food pipe?
Ma'am, stomata.
So, not stomata, it's stomach, right? Stomach.
Yes, ma'am.
We can find stomata in leaves, right? and on the surface of leaves, we can find stomata.
Yes, ma'am.
That is stomach. Stomach. Okay, it's not stomach. It will be stomach. Now number 9. Digestion begins in the dash when we eat food. Digestion.
Mouth.
Very good. Very good. Mouth. So you know all the answers. Now number 10, the last one. Do not touch electrical equipments with dash hands. Very good. So the answer will be wet hands. So here you can write either climate or weather. Both will be correct. If you write according to your book, what is written in your book, that is climate conditions. Okay. And if you are writing weather, that will also be correct. That answer will also be correct. So the first answer will be photos.
Ma'am, the model can you show me the hello, ma'am, can
Yes.
you show me the A question answer number A means question number A I have to because I want to take a screenshot.
Question number A. Okay, we haven't written it. We have just discussed it. Okay, let's write it together so that you can just have a record. A1, tell me what was the answer? The answer was,
Patios.
and
My
then
mother is not here. She come in
Two.
evening. That's why. Evergreen.
then 3.
Fixed.
P also be fixed. Okay, then 4.
Flippers.
I told you to change the option C and that will be flippers. And then 5. Spiny anteaters. Spiny. Okay. Spiny. Spiny anteaters. Spiny anteater. Now number 6.
Iron.
Then number 7. Bee crown. And then number 8. Yes, the answer is A, incisors.
Yes, ma'am.
And now number 9.
Synthetic clothes.
Synthetic
clothes. Synthetic
Synthetic clothes. And number 10.
Seat
B, seat belts. Okay.
Ma'am, it will be seat belt. In book, it is written seat belt. Done a screenshot. Ma'am,
Okay.
question number 10 only seat belt, not seat belt.
Yes, tell it.
Ma'am, question number 10 will be seat belt. Not belt.
Yes.
ma'am. You written S.
Okay, that one. It doesn't matter. Seat belt. Okay. So write this one, write these answers. Only then we will move to the next part. Okay. Have you all written this part?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is answer of A, part A, and this is the answer of part B.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, so now let's see part C.
Ma'am, part C is right and wrong. Yes,
Part C, right and wrong. Okay.
Right and wrong for the following.
So write part C here. C1, different plants have same types of leaves. Is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
So number 1 will be wrong.
Wrong.
Then number 2. See, all animals and human beings are called producers. Is it right?
Wrong.
Because only the green plants are called producers, right? And animals and human beings are called consumers. Number
Alana,
3.
you written wrong. Yes.
Yes, that will be wrong. And now number 3. Trees growing in plants have curved leaves. Trees growing in plains. Sorry, trees growing in plains have curved leaves.
Wrong. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, wrong.
Will be wrong because trees growing in mountains have curved leaves, right?
Yes,
Again, now number 4. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Now this one will be
right. I'm right.
Yes.
I'm right.
Now number 5. Tick, lice, mosquitoes are parasites.
Right.
So this one will be right.
Right.
And now number 6. So why they are called parasites? Can you tell me?
Because they eat blood of
Yes, they suck the blood from our body and they get nutrients from them. They get nutrition from that, our blood. And now number 6. Proteins give us energy to do work. This one will be wrong because protein helps us to build our body, right? And carbohydrates and fats gives us energy.
Yes.
Next, number 7. Jams and jellies are prevented by adding sugar in it.
Right.
Answer will be right. Now, number 8. Crown is the part of tooth that you cannot see. No, this one will be wrong. We can see the crown. Number 9.
Root is the part of the tooth that we cannot see.
Very good, very good. Root is the part of the tooth that we cannot see. We should wash our hands before and after eating food. This one will be right. And finally, number 10. Always play with sharp objects like scissors, blades, and razors. That will be wrong because we should not play with sharp objects.
Yes, ma'am. We should not play with sharp objects.
Now, everyone, write these answers. Check the answers if you have already written it.
Now we do match the following.
No, today we will. Yes, today we will not do that. Okay, we will not do that today because we don't have enough time. Do we have enough time? Check it.
No, ma'am.
No, we don't have enough time today. So tell me, what is the next part?
Ma'am, part B match the following.
Part B match the following. I'm giving it.
The following question.
Part D match the following. I'm giving it as your homework. Okay, you do it yourself in your home and send it to the assignment section. Okay.
Can you please submit question number C?
Question number C. Okay, just a second. So this is.
Yes, ma'am.
Notice I leave. There is no word called leave. Okay, L-E-V-E-D. It will be left. L-E-F-T, left.
Ma'am, we will do in copy or book. Ma'am, we will do in copy or
If you have written question number A, B, C in book, then write this one also in book. But if you have written question number A, B, C in copy, then you write this one also in copy. Okay?
Ma'am, we write in book.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, whatever you are writing in either book or copy, just continue. If you have written ABC in book, then write D also in book. Okay? But if you have written ABC in copy, then write D also in copy. Okay? Whenever you will write in book, as it's like worksheet and enough space is given there in your book. So if you are writing in book and as a worksheet, it's okay. But if you are writing in book, always use pencils, never use pens. Okay, that is the only condition. Or you can do these worksheets in your book. Okay.